Today, I am going to introduce you how to remove stain from the patio. As you can see that I have some stains on my patio right now. What I'm using today is called Pull It Out. You can find it from Amazon easily. So what I'm going to do is to pull it onto the stain spot directly. Just need to cover the whole stain area. You can also use a brush to cover the small areas. I am using a toothbrush here. Now, what we need to do is wait for a couple of hours until the white liquid dries. Normally, in an outdoor environment, it will become fully dry after about 3 to 4 hours. We can use a bigger brush to remove the white powder now. It is very easy to remove the white powder. We can see that the stain area is removed, and the patio becomes nice and clean again.